Okay, with the Google Home, I've got an interesting problem here. I want to add another device. Now, normally it says works with Google, right? You press it and it comes up. Now, for some reason, mine does not fucking come up. Now, a quick little Google search told me in the settings, I've got my default browser to Samsung. So if I change that, what's set as default do? Chrome set as default. Beautiful. Okay. So I guess that's a wrap. And then we restart our phone. Go. Attempt number 2. Add. Set up a device. Ready for it? Home. Oh! Motherfucker. Motherfucker! It's definitely a bug. Someone said he did a factory reset to fix this problem. Other one I read is disable if this then that, which I've disabled. Oh, what a fucking pain in the ass this thing is. I managed to get to this thing solved. I just went to assistant, lifted this prick up, and then there's explore on the bottom right hand side, and then I just typed in here. I was looking for my one. This one here is Pixie Plus. And then boom, it come up, and then I just pressed, I've just linked it, but I just pressed setup, and then boom, it fucking worked. Brilliant. So, I don't know, that's a workaround.